recognize it?
Hi.
Man, I didn't get started. Okay, you gotta do the introduction all over again.
Okay, this is Alex.
Okay?
These are my grandfather Pete's nieces and nephews.
Okay.
And my husband.
Alright. Does he have a Harley?
We lived with them when we came from Watsonville. My mom loaded us up in a station wagon. We ended up at their mom and dad's house, and they put us up for, I don't know,
For 14 weeks.
for a while.
And then me and Richard, that's when me and Richard got to hang out.
Okay, and I got to live with
Yeah.
Christine. Yeah, that was neat.
That's it. How long ago was that?
Oh my goodness.
Like that?
Real little.
So you haven't seen each other since then?
No, we see each other every now and then,
Okay.
but not that often. Richard and I do, but
Okay. And Richard, he has that Hawaiian shirt on, just like I said. It was a safe bet.
Yeah, actually not too far.